Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share a quick and simple way to get a free $100 Sephora promo code. This method is super easy, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escapon.co/Sephora, or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to enter the website. Once you're on the page, the first step is to enter your email address. This is crucial because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so be sure to enter it correctly. Next, you'll need to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. It's important to select the correct option since the process might vary slightly depending on your device. Now, the site will begin generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the fastest ways to get $100 off your next Sephora purchase. Your promo code is almost ready, but there's one final step. To confirm that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to verify your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. You can choose any 2 apps that are available. There's no need to select the same ones I'm downloading. If an app doesn't download properly, just pick a third app as a backup. I'm currently downloading my second app, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up. So if that happens, just follow the instructions to ensure the verification process goes smoothly. After you've used the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Sephora promo code should be sitting in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm always sharing tips and tricks like this, so stay tuned for more great content. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Sephora shopping spree.